Today, we're going to learn 5 powerful tips to speak English fluently with confidence. Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you want to speak English fluently without fear? Do you want to speak English confidently in real life, at work, in school, with friends, on the phone? If yes, watch this video till the end, because today I will share 5 simple tips that can change your English speaking forever. Tip 1. Stop translating in your mind. This is the biggest reason why you cannot speak English fluently. You know English words. You know grammar rules. But when you want to speak, your brain first thinks in your mother language. Then you translate into English. This takes time. This creates fear. This makes you confused. That is why your speech becomes slow. Your sentences break. Your confidence goes down. Fluent English speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. Now, the question is, how can you stop translating? Start with very small sentences. Do not try to speak long sentences. Keep it simple. Look around you. Say what you see. I am standing. I am sitting. I am walking. I am opening the door. I am closing the door. Do this every day. While brushing your teeth, I am brushing my teeth. While eating food, I am eating food. While watching TV, I am watching TV. Your brain will slowly learn that English is normal. English is not scary. Another powerful method, name things in English. This is a table. This is a chair. This is a phone. This is a window. Do not translate. Just say the English word. At first, your mind will try to translate. That is normal. Do not stop. Keep going. Think of English like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Ask yourself this question. Can I think 1 minute in English today? If yes, you are improving. One more important thing. Do not worry about grammar here. Do not worry about mistakes. This practice is only for fluency. Fluency comes first. Accuracy comes later. Remember, if you think in English, you will speak faster. You will feel more confident. You will stop feeling nervous. So from today, stop translating. Start thinking. Are you ready to try this tip today? Keep watching, because the next tip will help you speak without fear. Tip 2. Speak daily, even if it is wrong. This tip is about courage, not about perfect English. Most people do not speak because they want perfect sentences, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation. But let me tell you the truth. Perfect English does not exist. Fluent people also make mistakes, but they are not afraid. If you wait for perfect English, you will wait forever. Confidence comes from speaking, not from thinking. Now the question is, how can you practice speaking daily? First, speak alone. Talk to yourself. In the morning, say, "Today I will do my work. I will study English. I will improve myself." At night, say, "Today was a good day. I learned something new." Second, use a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror, look at your face, and speak. "Hello, how are you? I am learning English. I am improving every day." This builds confidence. This removes fear. Third, repeat after videos. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence. Speak loudly. Do not whisper. Your voice needs practice. Fourth, accept mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. Every mistake is one step closer to fluency. Ask yourself, did I speak today or did I stay silent? Even one sentence is enough. Speak for 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes. Slowly, your fear will go away. Remember, children speak wrong, but nobody stops them. So why should you stop? Say this to yourself: I am learning. I am not perfect, and that is okay. Question for you: will you speak today, even if your English is not perfect? If yes, you are already becoming confident. Keep watching, because the next tip will help you speak naturally. Tip 3. Learn phrases, not single words. This is a secret that fluent English speakers use. Many learners learn only words, one word, then another word. But when they speak, they stop, they think, they get confused. Why? Because real English is spoken in sentences, not in single words. If you learn only words, your brain works harder. If you learn phrases, your brain works faster. For example, do not learn only hungry. Learn the full phrase, I am hungry. Do not learn only busy. Learn, I am busy right now. Do not learn only problem. Learn, I have a problem. Now you can speak immediately without thinking too much. Daily life English is full of phrases. Listen to this. How are you doing? I am doing well. What are you doing? I'm just relaxing. Can you help me? Yes, of course. These are not single words, these are ready sentences. When you learn phrases, you sound natural, you sound confident. Now the question is, how can you learn phrases easily? First, learn from daily life. Morning phrases. I woke up early. I am getting ready. I am going to work. Evening phrases. I am feeling tired. I am going home. I want to rest. Second, repeat phrases again and again. Do not read silently. Speak loudly. Repeat one phrase 5 times, 10 times. Your mouth must feel English. Third, use the phrase the same day. If you learn, I am feeling tired, use it today. Say it. Feel it. This makes the phrase permanent. One important rule: do not memorize long sentences. Start small, short phrases, clear meaning. Question for you: do you learn words or do you learn phrases? From today, choose phrases. Keep watching, because the next tip will help you use English in real life. Tip 4. Use English in real life. This tip changes everything. Many people study English, but they do not use English. They read, they listen, but they do not speak. Remember one thing: English is not a book skill. English is a life skill. If you do not use English, you will forget English. Now the question is, how can you use English daily? Start with your daily routine. When you wake up, say, I woke up. It is morning. I feel fresh. While brushing, I am brushing my teeth. While taking a shower, I am taking a shower. While eating, I am having breakfast. You do these things every day, so use English every day. Second, change small habits. Change your phone language to English. Read simple English messages. Read app names. Read notifications. This trains your brain without extra effort. Third, talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. While walking, say, I am walking. I am going to the market. While working, say, I am doing my work. I need to finish this. This may feel strange, but it works. Fourth, use English with people when possible. Even one sentence is enough. Good morning. Thank you. How are you? Small sentences, big confidence. Do not wait for long conversations. One sentence today, two sentences tomorrow. That is progress. Important reminder: you do not need many hours. Even 10 minutes daily is powerful. Consistency is more important than long study. Question for you: where can you use English today? At home, at work, or on your phone? Decide now. Keep watching because the last tip will help you remove fear completely. Tip 5. Stop being afraid of people. This is the final step and the most powerful one. Many learners know English, but fear stops them. Fear of people, fear of mistakes, fear of being judged. This fear kills confidence. Let me tell you the truth. Most people are not listening to your grammar. They are listening to your message. They want to understand you, not test you. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they speak without fear. Now the question is, how can you remove this fear? First, accept that mistakes are normal. Say this to yourself: I am learning. Mistakes are part of my journey. The more mistakes you make, the faster you improve. Second, speak slowly. You do not need to speak fast. Slow English is clear English. Take a small pause, breathe, then speak. This makes you sound confident. Third, focus on the message, not on grammar. Ask yourself, do people understand me? If yes, you are successful. Fourth, face small fears daily. Start with easy situations. Say hello. Say thank you. Ask a simple question. Each small success builds big confidence. Fifth, believe in yourself. Confidence starts inside. Say, I can speak English. I am improving every day. Your voice matters. Your words matter. Final question: will you let fear stop you, or will you speak today? Choose courage. End motivation. Confidence does not come one day. It grows step by step. Speak, make mistakes, learn, repeat, and one day English will feel natural.